In this lesson, I'm going to show you a great pull-off exercise. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson I'm going to show you a pull-off exercise, also known as descending slurs. So let's get started. So first of all, a pull-off, you have to have two fingers down. With the opposite of a pull-off, a hammer-on, you start with one finger and then you hammer the finger down. But with pull-offs, you have to have two fingers on. The note you're going to pluck with the pick, and then the note that you're going to pull off to. Now what's really important, they're called pull-offs. Your finger doesn't just hop off the string. You should really think of them as pull downs. You're pulling down towards the ground. And that's how you should practice them to get a really full sound to them when practicing, especially on acoustic guitars. It helps if you're pulling downward. Alright, so for this exercise, the way we're going to think is with our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be at the 5th position to start, so we're assigning each finger to the frets. So 1 gets the 5, 2 gets the 6th fret, 3 gets the 7th fret, 4th gets the 8th fret. And what we're going to do, we'll start on the first string here. And the first pull-off sequence, it's in two parts, is pulling off fingers 4 to 1, then pulling off fingers 4 to 2, and then pulling off fingers 4 to 3. So it's... And the second part of this is pulling off 4 to 2, 3 to 2, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. So here's the whole exercise together. And then practice that on every string. And then you can build up your speed. When I'm on the lower strings, or even the second string, like I said earlier, you're pulling down. So it's almost like you're pulling down to the next string. It's okay if your finger hits that next string as long as it doesn't make a sound with that other string. When you get comfortable with that, bring it down to the first, maybe third position, then bring it down to the first position. Etc. Also, feel free to check out my hammer-on video, which follows this similar sequence, but in the other direction. You can put them both together if you'd like. Hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you want free charts of chords, scales, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.